Hi everybody. Today I'd like to share with you one little secret on how I save on my electricity bill. Well, many years ago I used to have this type of light bulb, that's the incandescent type. Then about, I don't know, 20 years ago I think, I changed it to this type. It's a kind of, I don't know, fluorescent type of a light bulb with a screw top. And so from 40 watts, I think this became something like 18 or 15 watt usage for the same amount of light. And then more recently, maybe about 4 or 5 years ago, I changed it to this type of light bulb, the LED type. Oops, you can't really see it properly. Okay, the LED light bulb. And I bought this from IKEA for less than 2 Singapore dollars. And it only uses 4.5 watts of energy for a 40 watt output. I also bought this one more recently. It also has a 40 watt output, but it only uses 3.4 watts. And this, like, I think it was like $3 or $4 for two bulbs, so it's not expensive at all. And these bulbs, I have used them, I think maybe for 2 or 3 years. I'm not sure exactly, but they do seem to last. So with the new IKEA bulbs, you can buy Philips or any brand. It seems to be using only 10% of the energy, like 3.4, 4.5 watts for a 40 watt output. So we could be effectively saving like 80% of our electricity bill that comes from lighting. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.